This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hi, this is Arifur and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will discuss with you about important functions in Excel for web research, and that is free space. Many of them know that, many do not know. This video is for those who do not know. Why is free space used? Its job is to keep Excel's row or column fixed. Now I show you how to use free space. At first, click on the View tab. Here you can see free space. Then click on free space. Now click on free stop row. Freeze activated. Now if you go below the 100 row, you can be able to see the top row. This is very essential while you can do any kind of web research job, because you have to handle hundreds or thousands of data in one Excel sheet and you must have to see the top row.